Good afternoon, brothers. Welcome to A Brown Bag Gentleman. Oh, let me get some more light in here. There we go. My name is Scott, and we've got an unboxing today. Yes, from Maggards. So let's cut this box open. Get in there. There we go. So more samples and something else to try. Okay. So right on top is the bunch of samples. So you guys will be seeing these in the near future. So yeah, these are my Saturday shaves or samples. And of course what I do as a reminder is I scoop out one day's use of the soap and show you, and the rest of it gets saved and put in a raffle for a future raffle for you guys to win. So yeah, those will be coming up. So I won't bore you with the details yet with this, but I also got what I also get. I got a Maggards body soap. I wanted to try their soap. The price was reasonable. So for nice quality made soap, yeah. So I'm trying theirs with sage tea tree. Let's see, is it sealed? Can I open it? Let me see here. Yeah, pleasant scent. So we'll be using that in the shower in the future. Right now in the shower, square up top there is a Phoenix soap. So that's what I currently have. And I just put it in like a week ago. So I'll be using that one for a while. So it'll be a bit before I get to this one. What else did I get here? I got a Soap Commander soap. Another brand I have never tried. So we're going to try their soap. Oh, that's very nice. Oh, that's nice. It's kind of like open right there in the back. Now, of course, the scent is Honor. So you can look that up to see what Honor scent is. Does it say, can I put my glasses on and tell you real quick? Scent profile, does it say? Nope, doesn't really say, so you have to look that one up. And the last thing I got, whoops, in a plastic bag. Good, they shipped it right. You've seen me review this soap. I got the aftershave, the full-size aftershave. London Barber Shop from Maggards, their house brand. It's just pleasant, nice, fresh. I have not bought an aftershave in a while. It's been a while. I've got so much, but this one I wanted something that I could not think about to throw on when I needed something. So this is going to go in my cabinet and just kind of stay there. So yeah, I'm going to be liking that. And that's going to all I have for that to show you today. So be tuned in for future weekend shaves where I'm trying a new soap and trying a little aftershave here too. But yeah, I put that on, but I'm already wearing something else that would clash with, so I'm not going to put that on. But I hope you enjoyed that unboxing, and go with God.